Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can upload resume on Indeed. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to a web browser and just type Indeed and go with the first link over here. Once you are over here, just log in with your account and then you'll be in this particular platform. Over here you'll be finding this post your resume option, which is just above this employers post a job option. Just go over here and now here you'll be having option which says add a resume to Indeed, upload resume. Just go over here and now locate your file. So it's gonna take some time, I guess. No, now just locate your file. Just go and locate your file. Where is it? So just locate your file. File name is too long, so just have your file name bit small and just you can upload it from here like that. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.